Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're just starting your coding journey, you've probably hit your first big question: Python or C++? It feels like a huge decision, but don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you, making it super simple to figure out which language is the right starting point for you. So, let's kick things off with the most obvious difference: syntax. Think of Python as learning to speak with a friend. It's incredibly intuitive. The code reads almost like plain English. For example, to print something on the screen, you just type print hello world. This simplicity means you can focus on learning programming concepts without getting bogged down by complex rules. Now, C++ is a bit more like learning a formal language with strict grammar. It requires more setup. That same hello world program needs more lines of code, with things like include statements, main functions, and semicolons at the end of every line. It's more structured and disciplined, which can be a good thing, but it definitely has a steeper learning curve for absolute beginners. Next up, let's talk about speed or performance. This is where C++ really shines. Because C++ is a compiled language, it gets translated directly into machine code that the computer's processor can execute super fast. This makes it the go-to choice for applications where every millisecond counts, like high-performance video games, financial trading systems, and even operating systems. Python, on the other hand, is an interpreted language. It's processed on the fly, which adds a bit of overhead and makes it slower than C++. But for most everyday applications, web development, and data analysis, Python speed is more than enough. The trade-off is development speed. You can often build things much faster in Python. Now, where are these languages actually used? Python is like a Swiss Army knife. It's everywhere. It's the king of data science, machine learning, and AI. If you've ever wondered how Netflix recommends shows, that's Python working its magic. It's also huge in web development for building the back end of websites, and it's fantastic for automation and scripting tasks. C++ is the powerhouse for performance-critical applications. Think about the stunning graphics in a blockbuster video game that's C++ at work. It's also used in robotics, embedded systems like the software in your car or microwave, and high-frequency trading platforms where speed is everything. A key difference that affects both syntax and performance is memory management. In Python, this is mostly handled for you automatically. It has a garbage collector that cleans up memory you're no longer using. This is a huge relief for beginners, because you don't have to worry about the nitty-gritty details of memory allocation and deallocation. C++, however, gives you full control. You have to manually manage memory yourself. This power is amazing for optimizing performance, but it also comes with responsibility. Forgetting to free up memory can lead to memory leaks, which can crash your program. It's a powerful feature but adds another layer of complexity for newcomers. Let's move on to community and libraries. Both languages have massive, incredibly supportive communities. No matter what problem you face, chances are someone has already solved it and posted the answer on a forum like Stack Overflow. Where they differ is in their standard libraries and ecosystems. Python is famous for its batteries included philosophy. It comes with a huge standard library and amazing third-party packages like NumPy for science, Pandas for data, and Django for web development make complex tasks incredibly simple. C also has a solid standard library and powerful libraries like Boost, but the ecosystem can feel a bit more fragmented. You might spend more time setting up your tools and libraries. Compared to Python is often simple pip install command. Finally, and perhaps most importantly for many of you, what about career opportunities? The great news is that both languages open doors to fantastic, high-paying jobs. Python developers are in huge demand for roles like data scientist, machine learning engineer, backend developer, and automation engineer. Companies of all sizes, from tech giants to startups, are always looking for Python talent. C++ developers are highly sought after for specialized, performance-focused roles. Think game developer, embedded systems engineer, or quantitative analyst in the finance world. These roles can be very lucrative, but there might be fewer junior-level openings compared to Python, as they often require a deeper understanding of computer science fundamentals. So, what's the verdict? If your goal is to learn programming concepts quickly, get into data science or web development, and build projects fast, Python is an unbeatable starting point. If you're passionate about game development, robotics, or you want to understand how computers work at a very deep level, and you're up for a challenge, diving into C++ is a fantastic choice. The best part, you don't have to choose one forever. Many professional developers know multiple languages. Start with one, build a solid foundation, and then you can always learn the other. I hope this helped clear things up for you. Let me know in the comments which language you're thinking of starting with. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding content. See you in the next one.